Verifying your bank account on CMC Markets is an essential step to ensure secure transactions and compliance with regulations. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the CMC Markets website and sign up for an account by providing your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to choose a strong password for your account. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Provide bank account details. Enter your bank account information as requested. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and sort code. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid delays in verification. Step 4. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents for verification. This may include a recent bank statement or a voided check that clearly shows your name, address, and account details. Follow the guidelines for acceptable document formats. Step 5. Await confirmation. After submitting your bank account details and documents, wait for CMC Markets to review and confirm your verification. This process may take a few days, and you will receive a notification once your account is verified. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your bank account on CMC Markets. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.